Extreme Rain Delay Volume 2. So, yeah, not long after I mentioned that the coasters were going down, we went to Lobster, and Cycle before we got on was the last one, because they shut that down probably for the lightning and the rain incoming. And it's pouring out here. We were just down under the firehouse awning with Melissa and Jeff and Samantha, and we were down that way and said, yeah, you know, I think we're gonna head towards the carousel because it stopped raining. And well, we did indeed head towards the carousel, but we decided to stop halfway through the square out there in hometown. We're just like, yeah, no, it's wet, and it just poured on us, big, huge, cold drops. So we decided to take a little shelter in here. It's just after 6 o'clock. What would you want to ride right now?
Raging Bull.
Yeah,
Viper.
All right, turn the lightning off and let's do it.
No, right now. With the lightning.
In the rain with the lightning, huh? That's crazy. Well, I hope our friends are staying dry on the other half over there. And yeah, we'll take a look over here.
Okay.
Yeah. It's pouring out there. This could be it for us. Who knows? Oh, there's people on the train. Yeah, I hope they're staying dry. Crazy. Right?